Hey guys, this is my Renko scalper tutorial for my LuxAlgo strategy. As you guys know, I started off with the 1 minute Heikin scalper. If you guys looked at my other videos, it shows you basically, how to use that, which if you haven't seen it before, it's pretty simple. You're going to buy on green when you have green confluence. You're going to sell on red when you have, red confluence. And the oscillators at the bottom will help you, define what the direction is going in and everything. Okay, so that we've established that. That's a real quick, overview. But let's go to Renko. It's basically the same thing as the 1 minute scalper, but it's using price. Each Renko box is based on price and not time. So anytime you see the boxes change, it's just like a candle, but it's based on price. So basically the strategy involves the signals and overlays indicator as well as the price action concepts. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to mainly, buy on the order blocks and sell on the order blocks. So right now, I'm on a practice account. We're on micro NQ, but it's the same as NQ. We have an NQ chart up right now, Renko. Box, keep it on 1. Sensitivity is on 16. These are my zones or what the trend catcher and smart trail. It's all set to 5 and Neocloud set to 3. I found that works best for the Renko. Anyway, we've got a green trend catcher, so we know for the most part we're going up. It just bounced off a green order block. As you can see, the price is going up. These boxes are showing going up, even though it just made, a red signal. So right here, since we're still in a red signal, I think it's going to come down a little bit. So I'm gonna get a sell right here. Let's just get a market sell, okay? Now it could go past this, but also it made a red signal. It hasn't made a green yet, so I'm thinking it's going to come down here before it makes another green. Could be wrong, but this is why you're going to keep your orders small. Look, I'm wrong, okay, but that doesn't matter because we're down $8 or whatever. Check this out. You get to a red order block. Let's sell again. A lot of times the price is going to bounce off these red order blocks, come down, and you're going to be able to take a profit. Right now, it's the end of the day, so it's pumping, unfortunately, and I'm losing. But here, let's show. See, look, it's already coming down. You see how it bounced off that red one? Now, basically, I do DCA, so, I just keep my position small. I take a ask or whatever at the, at the position. I probably bought in too quickly, like for a sell. But as you saw, it went way up, but then it came way back down. So it's kind of how I like to trade, especially with Renkos. It's just like sell on the red, buy on the green. So if I see it approaching a red, even if it gives me a green, I'll just buy a sell. Because I know for the most part, it's not going to break multiple order blocks. Although right now, it's 12 minutes before market close. So at the end of the day, it usually goes crazy. So anything's liable to happen right now. I never trade this time, by the way. I don't trade late because it's too much volatility. But I think if it hits this red, I'm going to take another sell. But I'm just basically showing you guys how I do it. But, for the most part, you want to buy on a green, sell on a red, obviously. You know what I'm saying? And it had a green trend catcher, so the trend's already up. It's just that, see, here we go. Okay, now we're hitting a red. Let's take another sell, okay? Now, usually it will not break this resistance, but right now, since it's so late, the market's really bullish right now, I wouldn't be surprised if it breaks it. But, they're always doing some tricks in this market right now, so there's no telling what's going to happen. But here, it just now, see, it broke the red, but now it made a green support up here. And that's why I'm on a practice account. I might lose this trade, but that's basically how you would get out of a trade like this too, is like if it goes too far behind you, like too far away from you, I have certain risk management parameters set up to where I don't just take a normal stop loss. It's a scalper chart.
Order filled.
Here we go. I'm just going to keep playing down, even though it just keeps going up. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I, lose this trade pretty bad, because at the end of the day, as you can see, it's just pumping, which it doesn't normally do, guys. But so here we go. Next red order block, I'll take another sell. Basically, that's my strategy. Is just like you keep selling on red, you keep buying on green, and yeah, obviously you want to go with the trend. I'm kind of trading against the trend, which was kind of stupid of me. But, I still think even down 100-something bucks, it can come back, and I could break even or at least get a couple dollars, And that's normally how I'm trading, is just like, as you can see, like the price starting to come back now. Now we got another red, so let's just go ahead and take another sell just because we want to break even.
Order filled.
We got the red trend catcher. We got a red, signal. Now right here, it may or may not break it. Since it's the end of the day, I think it will. And then we should be able to get in some profit. But let's see. I could be wrong. It's, like I said, it's a pretty bullish day. Look at all the green here. So I could have just, made the wrong choice. But, I hope you guys see it. You see how it's bouncing. It's basically bouncing off order blocks. These red signals are not, obviously they're not very good right now. They're not performing. But I guess we got, this is a good tutorial, guys. So you can see, what not to do, what to do. And it's, it's basically the same as this. Like I said, if I would normally have both these charts open, so it'd help me reference it better. So let's see right now. We might even be close to profit. Oh, no, okay. But okay, you see how it just made another red order block? So that's good. So basically you'd want to have both these charts open side by side. Because then, I would have never took a sell right here because, on the 1 minute scalper, it showed all the green. But, on the Renko, it shows something different. So, you basically want to have both open and use your Renko as like a secondary chart, for entries and exits, not as your main. I don't really use the Renko as a main chart.
Order filled.
So you really want them both open. Now, what I'm doing, I'm just stacking orders, just because if it comes down, then I'm more likely to, at least break even. See, okay, there we go. We're about to maybe be in profit if it can break this green order block, which it did, yeah. Okay, see that? So now we're like, got a nice little scalp right there. So basically, like you see that, now I made 26 bucks or whatever. I could have probably made more, but that's kind of how I like to trade. Usually they don't go against me so hard. But, look, now we're at a green, so I'd buy in again, actually, right here, because I'm predicting that's going to bounce up a couple. I'll be able to scalp a couple bucks off the floor. So, look, we got about $8. Let's take that. I mean, I'm just doing one. See, with this strategy, you only want to do one micro because, the price can really go crazy. And I bought it again because now we got a green. So, I'm thinking, oh my God. You see that? See, if I had stayed in the down move, I would have profited. But, all right, here we go. Let's buy another since we're hit a reversal zone. Okay, boom. It's coming back. So you see this? It's just like you just want to be buying on the supports and selling on the resistance. You want to kind of follow the charts. As you can see, like, it's totally unpredictable. So you keep your position size small with this. I really just do, if you're doing NQ, I would just take one. Look at this. You see that? Already down like 60 bucks. Okay, so let's get another one. So now I'm buying now, and now the market's going down. And boom, it just completely shot up off the bottom. Okay, because right now it's the last few minutes. But look, we might go green here. It looks like it got some buying energy. So let's see. We got 6 minutes till market close. What's going on? We're down a little bit, but we have a green. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. Now we're going green. So let me just take that. But, like I said, you don't want to trade at this hour because it's acting crazy. But luckily we're practicing, This is a crazy tutorial, but this is why you want to keep the position size with NQ really small, because if you're playing with like one mini, that's 10 times this. So like let me just bump it up just to, you know, show you guys how crazy you can get with NQ. Where's NQ? NASDAQ. Here we go. Let's play with one mini. Let's bid. Let's say we're going up. Here's a mini. Okay, watch how much money you either make or lose. Like the money is like ridiculous. Like, you know, like it hasn't shot up yet, but it's going to. You know, I'd personally just take this. Like, you know, $30 is good for me. But you know, that's basically what you want to do. I'm still betting it's going up right now. It's too bullish right now. Personally, I think it's gonna, you know, probably hit this red order block. You know, it has, because it hasn't hit it yet. It bounced off this. See, any support and resistance, you know, you just want to keep, you know, you want to take positions, you know. But I mean, I'm playing with minis now. Like that was micros, so this is minis. This is a different ball game right here. Look at how much money I'm down. You see that? So you got to be real careful. That's why I play with micros normally, and I don't play with minis, because minis will, you know, blow your account. But anyway, guys, that's basically how you use the Renko chart. You know, it's basically the same as the 1 minute scalper. Up here we go. We should maybe be in profit. Oh, nope. Thought we were. Look like the dang thing jumped up, but apparently not. Got 4 minutes left. Let's see if we can go green on this trade. You know, I'm kind of not really sure about this one. I'm just going to wait a little bit, see what it does, because I don't really trust it. Oh, here we go. It's coming back a little bit. All right. I'm just going to take green as soon as we get it. All right, let's take that, $40. All right, here we got a green. Okay, let's go. Oh, see, you got a green signal, and then you're already losing money. That's how fast this stock is moving. We're going to take this as soon as we get a little bit of profit. There we go. Let's take that. It's just too risky. You know, I'm not going to trade anymore. I mean, it's a practice account. But look, we made $116. You know, I don't advise trading with minis, though. Do not trade minis. Listen, micro, 1 NQ micro. That's how you're going to trade this strategy. You're not going to go higher than that unless you want to blow your account. I'm serious. This thing can swing like you wouldn't believe. So stick with 1 micro. You know, you're going to add on order blocks. Boom, look at that. See, I already made some decent money just doing that. But you know, you're gonna sell on the resistance, you're gonna buy on the support. If it keeps breaking the support or resistance, you're just gonna keep layering in your trade. And that's why you're gonna, you know, you keep your position size small, because this thing can go, NQ can easily on any given time swing 100 points. And if you have anything more than 1 micro, you're gonna blow the account, you know. So yep. That's that, guys. That's Renko scalping. Like I said, use it in combination with your 1 minute scalper, your 1 minute hike and IC scalper, the LuxAlgo one that I've made. Also, you're going to need to set the chart to 1 second, so make sure you have seconds charts for TradingView. It costs a little money, but it's worth it. Set the box size to 1. By the way, this also works for ES. It's just really slow on ES because the box, even if you set the box size to 1 right here, the boxes are really, really slow and they don't really show much data. But if you really want to do it right, you might be able to split both charts down the middle and then have ES on one side and NQ on the other. So then you can kind of, they both move in relation to each other, so you can kind of see what they're both doing, you know, because ES will kind of show you like a zoomed out picture versus NQ is just going to show you that super quick scalper, which is what I like. I like the fast action. I don't like to sit here all day. I trade about 2 hours a day. So, all right, guys. That's it. Good luck.